Hi everyone, today we're going to study discriminant. Let us define discriminant. In the quadratic formula, this is the quadratic formula, the quantity b squared minus 4ac. This is the radicand of the radical in the quadratic formula. That is called the discriminant. For a quadratic equation in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 and a is not equal to 0, we are going to use the discriminant to predict the number and nature of solutions of a quadratic equation. If the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means the discriminant is positive. The equation has two real numbers and distinct solutions. Or we can say that there are two answers, and these two answers are real numbers. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the equation has two real and equal solutions. In other words, we can say that there is one real solution. If the discriminant is less than 0, or we say that the discriminant is negative, the equation has no real solution. Let us determine the number of solutions to each quadratic equations. This is the first one. 3x squared plus 7x minus 9 equals 0. We're going to follow these three steps. First, let us write the quadratic equation in standard form. We can see here that the problem is already in standard form. Then we will identify the a, b, and c values. The a is the coefficient of x squared, and that is 3. The b is the coefficient of x, that is positive 7. And the c is the constant, it is negative 9. Next, we will write the discriminant formula, and we will substitute the a, b, and c values. So the b squared is now the square of 7 minus the constant 4 times a, which is now changed into 3, times the c, which is now changed into negative 9. Then we will simplify. The 7 squared is 49 minus the product of 4 and 3 and negative 9. So the answer is positive 108. Then 49 plus 108 is 157, and this is a positive number. Since the value of discriminant is positive, there are two distinct real solutions to the equation. Let's have example 2. 9x squared plus 1 equals 6x. First, let us write the quadratic equation in standard form. So this positive 6x on the right side of the equation is transposed to the left side, and the sign is changed. It is now negative 6x, and the right side is now equal to 0. Then we will collect the a, b, and c values. The a is the coefficient of x squared, that is 9. The b is the coefficient of x, that is negative 6. The c is the constant, positive 1. Then we will write the discriminant formula and substitute now the values of a, b, and c. The b squared is now the square of negative 6 minus the constant 4 times a, which is now changed into 9, times the c, and now change into 1. Then we simplify further. The square of negative 6 is positive 36 minus the product of 4 and 9 and 1 is 36. So we have 36 minus 36 equals 0. Since the value of discriminant is 0, the solutions are equal, or we can say there is one real solution. Let us have example 3. The monomial x times the binomial 5x plus 1 equals negative 4. First, let us write the quadratic equation in standard form. The x here will be multiplied to each term of the binomial. So we have the x times 5x is 5x squared plus x times 1 is x, and then the negative 4 on the right side is transposed on the left. The sign will be changed. From negative, it becomes positive, and this is equal to 0. Then we will identify the a, b, and c values. The a is the coefficient of x squared, that is 5. The b is the coefficient of x, and that is 1. And the c is the constant, positive 4. Then on the discriminant formula, we will substitute the values. The b squared is now the square of 1 minus the constant 4 times a. The a is changed into 5 times c. The c is now changed into 4. Then we will simplify further. 1 square is 1 minus the product of 4 and 5 and 4, that is equal to 80. 1 minus 80 is negative 79. Since the value of discriminant is negative, there is no real solution to the equation. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.